Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope everyone is doing well. So let's just start. In yesterday's video, in our last video, in the sense, we have seen that price level, quantity pricing, and price group on that item record. How to assign, how it works, and how we can use that based on item record level. So in our today's video, we are going to learn about pricing setup on customer records. Okay. So when we are talking about the setup pricing and customer record, in NetSuite configure customer specific pricing ensure that each client receive a tailored pricing based on predefined criteria. Here are here is some comprehensive guide to setting up pricing on customer. Pricing strategy here how to do it. Assign a default price level to a customer. First, we need to navigate to list, relationship, customer, edit, next to the price level, edit, update. On the financial subtab, the price level drop down, we can select the price level. So this is the way we can set up. So price level to the item record for a customer. So also we can set up a price level based on each item record. So for that we need to list on relationship customer, edit the desired customer or a specific customer. Let's assign that item specific rights level, financial subtype, scroll down item pricing, list sublist, new item pricing. In the item field, select the specific item, select the price field. In the price field, appropriate price level, and save it. Item specific price level take a precedence over the default price level set for the customer. This means that during transaction, a specified price level for the item will be applied instead of customer default price level. So utilize the pricing group for more control, internal control, create a price group and assign to a customer. Assigning item to price group. Edit the item record under the sales and pricing subtab. Select the appropriate pricing group. Save the item record and assign price group to customer. Edit the customer record. Navigate to financial subtab and in the pricing group sublist assign the desired price level to each pricing group and save the customer record. So pricing group allows you to assign a specific price level to a group of item for individual customer, providing a more nuanced pricing strategy. By leveraging these features, NetSuite enable business to implement flexible and customer-specified price model, ensure that each client receives appropriate price level based on predefined criteria. Let's look at that. So first we need to cross-check the price level, setup, accounting list. So these are the price level we have created and we can create more up to 1000 we can create a custom price level. So once we'll give the price level, if we have discount percentage, we can give discount percentage. We can use this checkbox so existing price will be updated. Once we create the price level, now create on the price group. So in the filter drop down, just select the price group. Here create a price group. So we have so many price group created. These are the custom price group we have created. You can also create a new price group. Just click on that new and just give the name of that label name. Save it. So price group. Now how we can assign that price group and price level to based on a specific customer, based on item record and based on the customer record. So relationship customer, and a new. So if we supposed to create new, then just select new. Else we can update in the on the existing customer record. Suppose this is the customer we have created, Electromat or test customer. We will open both the customers, and here we can see. So it's taking bit time. Just we need to hold on. So this is the customer. So if we want to assign a default price level on that customer record, so all the time that the price level will be applicable if we are not making any changes on the transaction level for that customer. So first under financial subtab here we can see price level. So here we can select that price level. Suppose we are giving base price. So base price in the sense which what are the item we will select on the item based base price, what is the available, what is the base price available for item record on the item record, that will be applicable. Suppose we are selecting NetSuite price level, that's our custom price level. So in that custom price level we are given that 5% discount for each item and the default. So when we are using any that price level customer to create any transaction, then for that with each item it will create a 5% discount for that item for transaction. And suppose we want to assign that here we can assign the currency as well. Here we can assign that group pricing. So group pricing in the sense we are buying a different items as a group, like a pack. So we can use a group pricing, and the group pricing for the student who are buying a notebook, pen, paper, scissor, etc., rubber. So then we can here also assign that price level based on that grouping. So it will instead of individual item pricing, it will applicable that group of price. So based on individual item as well, we can assign a different price level from here. And when we will create any transaction, then it will applicable that transaction level, each level item level base price. Suppose we have a wholesale. So if we'll select these two item on that transaction record while creating a transaction for this customer, then this price will be applicable, or by default it will be applied to the transaction. So these are the primary currency where we can say this is a billing terms. So these billing terms by default will use to work. And this is that way how we can assign that to group pricing and item pricing based on each individual item record. We can assign that price level, and it will work based on its price level. So then once we assign that successfully, then we can click on save. So once we'll save that records and we are ready to raise a transaction, create a generated transaction, whatever it may be, sales order or invoices. So based on using this customer call for this company customer. Okay, so in today's video, we have seen that how to set up a pricing and customer record, how to set up a price label, price group on customer record, and in next video, how we'll see how it will work, how the sales transaction will be created based on that price level and price group applying to that specific customer. So in our next video, we'll seeing that test pricing on sales transaction, how to create a sales transaction by using those price level and price group on that NetSuite transaction. So I hope this videos is useful, and thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel to receive a latest update from YouTube video, and please don't forget to subscribe and like, and please hit the bell icon button, and please add your comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye. Happy learning. Please take care, everyone.